Alright, Mama Curry, what you got going on today?
I'm going to be cooking some turkey neck. But you know I have to clean up my turkey neck. You got to clean it up, strip it up, take off all these fat off of it. So now I'm cleaning up the fat from it.
Okay.
I'm cleaning, see how I'm cutting it, cutting off the fat, because surprisingly, turkey neck have a lot of fat on it, so, and skin, so I got to take off all these fat and skin. See how I'm doing it? I put the knife underneath here and go around it to get the fat off and the skin. See there?
Yeah. So, like, what kind of turkey neck? You making curry turkey neck or regular turkey neck?
No,
or
regular
just
turkey neck. I'm going to be seasoning my turkey neck, and I'm going to brown it like when you're doing meat, and then put my water in it.
When you say brownie, you mean like sear it? You're gonna sear it on the pan first?
Yes,
or?
yes.
Oh, okay.
Fry it in the pan first, and then afterward I put water in it and let it stay there and cook.
Okay.
But this turkey neck, I'm seasoning it from today. It's not going to be cooked until tomorrow.
Okay.
So it's going to get a overnight seasoning, soaking.
Okay.
So when I put it in the pan, you can stay and smell it over the camera.
Okay.
It's going to be good, just like my curry chicken. That's how I do my stuff. Now I wash my turkey neck, salt and vinegar, and let it soak a little. I'm washing it off now to go ahead and season. See? My seasoning over here.
What's that?
Complete seasoning.
Okay.
And then this is my
Garlic salt.
garlic salt,
Onion.
powder, paprika.
Paprika. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see the label of it. The paprika. All right.
And this is my cumin.
Let me see it.
No, see it here. This is my cumin. This is give it a nice flavor. So all these I'm going to season it with.
Okay.
Yeah. And then set it away until tomorrow.
Okay, so you're just like a store it in the fridge and just make it soak in and I make it go on. Oh yeah. What are you doing? You're drying them off?
Yes.
Oh, so the seasoning can stay on it and stuff, so it's not too wet and anything.
Yeah.
All right.
This is the garlic salt.
Garlic salt. So we have in there already. What's that?
You sprinkle some.
So what was that already? Okay, that's just the garlic salt.
I put the complete seasoning in it already.
Okay.
You know, you open here and you sprinkle some. I have some in there already, so I don't want to put any more. I don't want it to get it too salty. And this is the
onion seasoning.
yes.
Okay.
Onion powder. So you put some onion powder in it. And this is paprika.
Okay.
And I can put some black pepper too.
Okay.
With my black pepper. You see it anywhere out there?
No. I see it there. On the next one.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it up there.
This is my black pepper now.
McCormick's.
This is the best McCormick. So I season them up. Rub the seasoning in. And then I'm going to cover it up until tomorrow, if God spare life. After seasoning, now I put my cover on it. And this is going to
Go in the fridge.
go inside the fridge until tomorrow.
Okay.
Here we go. Until such time. This is my turkey neck here. It's seasoned, so it's seasoned up from overnight and in the fridge. So I just stuck it out. This is the pot, the frying pan. I put some oil in it.
Okay.
I put the oil in it. And now I'm going to start because I don't use browning. I like my meat to be brown. Then I put the water on it and start cooking.
Okay.
But see these turkey neck, they like oxtail. So when they finish, they're going to be like oxtail. So now I'm putting them in the frying pan to get them, we call it brown. Get that brown color.
Okay.
Before I put water on it.
So when you put the water on it, it's doing where it's gonna steam it?
Yes, it's gonna take a while. Like maybe the turkey neck, it takes like maybe an hour or so to cook after you put the water on it. But now I'm browning it first. So they're in the frying pan browning. I do not like my fire too high. I don't like my meat to burn up too much. I just like it to be brown.
So you just sauteing the meat just to brown the outside of it first, right?
Yeah,
Basically.
I'm seeing it ready. So now I'm browning it.
So usually people, they buy browning instead of sauteing it to brown it.
Some people use browning. I don't use browning. I don't like browning.
Okay.
I brown my meat.
So it's nice and brown on one side already. Flip that one there again, let me see it. Yeah. Okay.
You'll see that? That's how we get brown. Let everything brown like that. Keep the top away. See my turkey neck? See how the brown pretty color they're getting? That's how I want all the pieces to be brown. Then I put some water and cover it up and let it cook. So it's brown in there now.
Man, that smells so good.
Yep.
All the seasoning and everything like that, when it all come together, it has this amazing aromatic kind of scent to it. I don't know, it's amazing. Like I can taste it already.
Can you smell it over there? You should be able.
So Mama Curry, while the turkey neck frying up, who teach you how to cook like that? Where you learn to cook like that?
From Jamaica.
So you just learn how to cook just like that?
Yeah, my mother teach me how to cook because when she was cooking, she always told me, come and look, see how I'm doing this, how I'm doing that. So that's how I learned to cook.
Okay.
See, these are the brown turkey neck. So I put everything back in the pot. You know, you got to put a little water in it.
Okay.
Cover it up and let it cook. Cover it with the frying pan. See?
In the top with the...
Yeah, put the top on it and let it stay there and cook.
So like make it steam up and cook through with the steam and all them things there. Okay.
Alright, I cover it here now to cook. So that's going to take a while to cook. Olive oil over it.
Just to give it a little more
flavor.
Okay.
Because I don't have enough olive oil to cook everything in.
Oh man, this is such a score.
You have to go demo?
Oh. Did I have to one of them, man?
I know, man.
I thought the end.
Yeah.
$50.
They're so rare to find.
Yeah.
Because they got a blight on them, and then all over the world, they had to start growing a different kind of banana, the Cavendish. And then these ones, like I said, I've been here so many times and never got to taste them.
Ross Kitchen. No copyright claims. No copyright claims.
Yes. What a day.
What you were saying about the bananas them in Jamaica? About the name of the banana them, or what you used to call them, or the different type of banana them before the Chiquita banana them?
Gros Michel, Lacatana. It's another one, but I don't remember. But the Gros Michel banana, that used to be the Christine banana, because those bananas, whether ripe or green, they used to be more expensive than the rest of the bananas.
Okay.
I'm washing them.
What are you doing? You washing what? The bell pepper and what?
Bell pepper and tomato.
The bell pepper and tomato them.
This is a piece of onion. And this is a piece of carrot. And I'm going to cut some more onion to put in there. So this after wash the smaller piece of onions. Alright, I'm cutting up my onion.
So what you say you doing now?
Getting a hot pepper.
Okay.
Which is this pepper not even hot. So I'm going to cut this whole one, wash it and cut it.
Well, when you say not hot, you mean say they're not hot like that, hot, but they hot peppers.
Yes, these supposed to be hot peppers. I'm watching it. And I'm going to cut the whole thing with the seed and put it in the pot so this beef can taste with pepper. I like pepper.
Yeah, me too. You know we like our food hot, like pepper in our food. Seed on everything. Yeah, man, seed on everything. I forgot in them, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Make it hot.
Yeah, man.
Make it taste. It won't be hot, but it will taste.
You know, some people like them food and hot and they have to.
When
they eat them
got
food.
To be hot, like that, you know, but taste with pepper.
Yeah, man, look that. Look good with the brown and the green color. They look good, man. So then after this, you're gonna cut up some onions and tomato and bell pepper and thing and put in there, make it go and do it thing in there, man.
Green bell pepper. I only have a small piece of the red one.
Red bell pepper.
Small piece of red bell pepper. I have some more of the green one I'm cutting up.
All them colors look good together, man. The color combination look good.
Putting that up into my tomato. I washed my tomato already.
Oh, you all cut up carrots and thing there in that.
So I'm not letting my carrot go to waste.
Great.
Now I'm going to put my seasoning in. Onion, tomato, bell pepper, red pepper, carrot and everything. Put it in and let it cook.
So I can make that cook down.
Yeah.
So how long it take for you to cook down the turkey neck? About like 30 minutes?
No, more than 30 minutes.
About 45 minutes. So it's
maybe about an hour.
about an hour. So it's kind of like a lengthy type of cooking, but you have to make it cook so it fall off the bone and all that thing there, right?
Yes.
Okay, because it's a denser type of meat, so you have to make it take your time on slow cook on.
Right. I don't like when you cook on high fire, I like when you cook on slow fire.
Yeah, yeah. So all the seasoning and everything soak in and make sure, like I said, fall off the bone and thing now, you know?
Okay, so see there now with the seasoning stuff. I'm going to turn the fire a little and cover it up again and let the season cook in. Yeah.
Okay.
The butter when you let me cook 2 pieces of butter. The cooking butter, let me put 2 pieces of butter on top. And now I'm putting some butter. I learned to cook my meat with butter. When you put in the seasoning, you put some butter on top of it. Okay.
Then you cover that up and make that go and do its thing. So how long that take for to cook?
I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or can be slower because I'm not in any hurry.
Okay.
This is my finished turkey knife. All finished, ready to go. Just to get some rice or some, what you call that, couscous or something to
Or
eat
some
it with.
bulgur wheat.
Rice or bulgur, yes. Or if you want to cook piece of banana, banana or dumpling with it, you can do too. So this is all finished now.
Looks so good.
Yeah,
it smells
very
so
good. Yeah,
good.
Look at it. Everything is all tender. The carrot is tender. The
Falling off the
seasoning
bone
too.
and everything. That's how you're supposed to eat it, man. You know.
There when you put the fork in, look at that. It just goes right.
Coming
in.
like oxtail, like
put
you
it,
know.
Yeah, this is, when you put that in your mouth, it just melt off the bone. Just melt off the bone. Thanks for watching Mama Carrot's Kitchen.